Hello, my name is Matt Joyner. I am the Automotive Industry Manager here at igus. Today, I would like to have a closer look at our igus PRT Slewing rings and show you some examples of how they support onboard automotive applications. Rotating and pivoting seats are often used in campers and RVs, as well as a wide range of commercial vehicles. In a world moving towards autonomous driving, more dynamic interior concepts are being developed for the conventional car and will continue to become more and more common. Rotating seats give the advantage of more effectively using the limited vehicle space. Both the driver and the passenger seats can rotate up to 360 degrees, creating a comfortable seating area for all passengers. igus PRT slewing rings are known for their high load capacity and maintenance-free operation. But what makes them unique and beneficial inside these kinds of applications? First, the sliding surface of our slewing rings are made from high-performance igus polymers that are extremely wear-resistant and also meet low fogging requirements. This means they work reliably even under challenging conditions, such as heavy loads and vibrations. Our slewing rings have a longer lifespan compared to traditional ball bearing systems by operating on our patented igus materials, making them a cost-effective solution. Second, a sliding ring made with iglide materials can enable easy manual or electric adjustment with low drive torque due to the low coefficient of friction. The system requires no additional lubrication thanks to the integrated solid lubricants, making operations maintenance-free. igus PRT slewing rings offer a reliable, maintenance-free, and long-lasting solution for seat adjustments and multi-purpose tables, ensuring a smooth and quiet operation under all conditions. But don't just take my word for it. Set up a call today with one of our automotive experts. Let us get you some free samples so you can start testing and succeeding with igus. Use the link in the description below to set up your virtual igus appointment today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.